Hi everyone, and welcome to my day 3 trying to work as a bioinformatician. Today is Thursday. Yesterday I didn't record anything because I spent all morning helping a friend, and in the afternoon I was editing the first video. So today I'm going to do 3 things. The first one will be doing 2 Rosalind problems. If they are easy, I will do 3, but my plan is to do only 2. The second thing will be reviewing the apuntes of bioinformatics because I want to recall all the things that I studied in my degree. And the third thing will be improve my webpage. In the last 2 videos I was saying webpage. Today I say webpage, but I will try to say website because my boyfriend told me that anybody uses webpage, so I'm sorry. I have to tell you what I did in the last video because I didn't do that and I spent a lot of hours doing only one thing. So I want to tell you why I spent too many hours doing only that thing. So it's time to start programming. Also, I have to say that today my boyfriend is working from home and I can't speak very loudly. Okay, so these are the 2 problems that I want to do today: RNA splicing and enumerating k-mers lexicographically. Okay, so I finished the Rosalind problems. Now it's 11:30. I did a break because I needed to do some things. And I just realized that my university has changed the website and I lost and I lost all the PowerPoints with the information of my subjects. I'm smiling, but it's bad. Luckily, my mates did something that we call comisiones, which is a repository with all the units of each subject, and that way I will be able to review all the things that I studied because I lost all the PowerPoints. I want to show you what are comisiones because I don't know how to say it in English. That's it. Unit 1, Introduction to Bioinformatics. Contents are here. Bioinformatics definitions, important areas of bioinformatics, the origins, etc. So what I want to do at this moment is to search what I want to review because most of the things I know it. Okay, so I'm going to review this unit about databases because maybe there is something that I can use for my project.
One eternity later.
I'm back. I didn't record anything more because I was studying and after that I made the lunch and I rested a little bit because I am reading a book. I am finishing the Mistborn saga, but it's 3 o'clock and I'm going to start programming my database, the website. So I'm going to explain you what I did 2 days ago with my website. I don't know if I told you in the last video, but basically my final degree project was about analysis of co-expression networks in tomato, and I have a lot of genes of tomato. I made a database with all the genes, its function, its aspect, and also the subgraph. This subgraph means that one gene is co-expressed with another gene. I mean, in that subgraphs appears the genes that are correlated. If they have high correlation, then they are in the same subgraph. Last day I created another table because I had at that moment two tables, okay? One table with the gene and the subgraph, and other table which has gene, go term, function, and go aspect. So what I did last day was about create another table which has the go term, the enrichment, the subgraph, and a p-value. But what happened when I did my project, I didn't know how to program well, so my code was so dirty. It's so dirty actually, and I spent a lot of time trying to replicate the same thing that I did in my project to my new project, and it took me a lot of hours. I mean, I spent, I think, 3 or 4 hours trying to create that table because the code was so bad. But now everything is fixed, everything works. I have the third table, I have it also uploaded and into the database, and now what I want to do is to add new options in my website. I want the user can have the opportunity to filter by p-value or enrichment value, and also I want to implement the option to create the images that I showed to you last day in the search site. So the first thing that I am going to do is to include these new options. I don't want to be a lot of time programming because I'm a little bit obsessed with the book that I am reading at this moment, and I want to read a lot. Also because I have 75% of the book read, so I need to know what happened in the final, and I want to read a lot. So let's go to do the things that I told you, and then the video will finish. Also, if you want to see more things about my days, not only what I do to improve my resume and all that things, let me know in the comments, and if I see that people want it, I will do it. It's been 3 hours since the last time I recorded, and I'm going to finish the video for today, but first I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, so in this site there are no changes, but if I click in the image section, here you can enter a gene or a subgraph number. Okay, before you only can enter a gene. I'm going to enter the subgraph number 2, and I will show you why I spent 3 hours programming this. Okay, I added new options for the graph. These are the edge width, okay, and the opacity. Because if you have a big graph, these options will help you to see the name of the genes and the nodes, etc. I mean, if I have a big subgraph, okay, I'm going to put the number 3, you can see anything, okay, because they are all together, okay, as you can see here. So I think that this will help to see but no, there is too much information and it won't help. But I added one thing that maybe will help to people to see the information, because if I click in one gene, here appears the information related to this gene. Okay, in this case, this go term, okay, is overrepresented in the sample, because here I add the threshold, which is calculated using the Bonferroni correction, and as you can see, the p-value is under this threshold, so this go term is overrepresented. That's all I added. There are several genes that don't have any information available. But look, for example, this go term is so overrepresented because the p-value is so small. That's what I did all the evening, and now I'm going to go to rest because I need it. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.